Dora, I want to get across the canyon, but there is no way for me to get there.
We can build you a bridge.
But first, Boots has to learn how to use the conditional tense.
But it's too hard.
Then I guess you can stay over there.
Okay, fine.
The first thing you need to know about the conditional tense is that it represents hypothetical ideas.
So in other words, verbs you would do.
Okay, do we conjugate them?
Yes, of course. To conjugate regular verbs, you take off the IR or the AR end.
Swiper, no, swiping. You leave on the original AR-IR ending and then you add the correct conditional ending based on the specific subject pronoun.
Oh yeah.
Remember, yo, el, ella, and oods have ia. Tu is ios, nosotros is iamos, vosotros is iais, and eos is ion. And don't forget, the beginning of I of each ending has an accent.
Okay, that seems a little complicated.
Okay, why don't we try some examples?
Boots, what's the word for to talk?
Hablar.
Correct. Now what about I would talk?
Well, you keep the AR ending on, you don't swipe it off, and then you add on ia for the yo subject pronoun. So it would be yo hablaria.
Good job, Boots. Let's try one more, but let's get the class to help you. What is we would live?
Viviar amus.
Yes, okay, now that you know the regular verbs, you need to learn the irregular verb forms.
There's more?
Don't worry, Boots. There are only 9 irregular verbs, and they still have the same endings as the regular verbs.
So then what's the difference?
The inside of the verb changes. We take off the original AR or IR ending and change some of the letters on the inside.
So, desir becomes deer, haser becomes har, poder becomes poder, poner becomes ponder, kier becomes curer, saber becomes saber, salir becomes salder, tener becomes tinder, and veneer becomes vendor.
No, that's way too many.
Don't worry, we have an acronym to help you. Remember.
The acronym is Dan had purple polka dot shoes that quietly sat violently.
It doesn't make much sense, but it helps us remember the irregular verbs.
So what's the form for I would have?
Tendria.
Good job.
Okay, so now that I learned the conditional tense, can we build a bridge?
Nah, where are we going to find stuff to do that? Good luck, Boots.